Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are good at your home. Now, today we are going to learn the next unit, unit number 3. Okay? So, take out your practice question 1.2 and 1.3. What is the subject of the poem? This all unit are ओनली पोएट्री. ये सिर्फ पोएट्री है. सारे चैप्टर्स इसमें पोएट्री के होंगे. व्हाट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द पोएम? The subject of the poem is the difference between a house and a home. What is the purpose of the poem? Tick the correct option. तो ये आपको अपने supplementary book में है. You have to correct. You have to tick mark. To express how she feels differently about a house and a home. Now practice question 1.6. List 3 things that a house is made up of. A house is made up of brick, stones and wood. This you have to write in your English fair book. Circle the adjectives and underline the nouns and they described in the sentence given below. Joseph has curly hair. Curly is the adjective and hair is the noun. Bears sleep in warm dens during hibernation. Sam ate a juicy orange for lunch. Tara told me a scary story. I read an interesting story before going to sleep. यानी जो सर्कल किए गए हैं दैट्स आर ऑल द एडजेक्टिव्स एंड अंडरलाइंस दिस आर आर द नाउन्स. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव को चुनकर हमको ब्लैंक्स लिखने हैं. द बॉक्सर गेव हिज ओपोनेंट अ ब्लैक आई बाय पंचिंग हिम. शी हैज़ टू ब्रश हर कर्ली हेयर at least 5 minutes before it looks tidy. And the sky looks mostly clear today except for a few clouds. Jay has grown quite tall in the last year. Bitty rubbed the wall with rough sandpaper. इसमें भी आपको एडजेक्टिव फिलअप करना है. My aunt pickled the sour lemons in 3 huge pears. When I accidentally got soap in my eyes, they turned red. I want to have a glass of cold milk. The Himalayas have huge mountains and the round laddus were packed in a yellow box. Okay, so you have to fill up the adjectives in these blanks. Now appropriate adjectives. This car looks new. Appropriate adjective आपको लिखने हैं. It is red in color. It is also small in size. This house looks old. It is brown in color. It is also big in size. Now fill in the blanks. Rani nursed a sick puppy back to health. She felt happy to see the puppy jumped around with excitement. यानी uncomfortable, hurt या happy तो happy. फिर नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक्स में फोकस्ड, स्केयर्ड और डिसअपॉइंटेड. तो द क्लास पिकनिक टू द प्लेटेरियम वेयर वॉज कैंसल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ हेवी रेन एंड द क्लास फेल्ट डिसअपॉइंटेड ऑन हियरिंग दिस न्यूज़. Choosing the blanks. Jasmine woke up at the 6 a.m., went for a walk with her grandmother, came home and bathed. She ate fruits, milk and cereals for breakfast and quickly got ready to go to school, and she must be feeling energized. Anu was the only daughter of her doting parents. They got her nicest things and spent a lot of time with her. However, after her younger sister was born, her parents couldn't spend as much time with her as before. Anu felt ignored. यानी पहले उसके पेरेंट्स टाइम दे पाते थे, अभी नहीं दे पाते. तो अनु क्या हुई? Ignored. Even after repeated requests, Rajan's mother confused to buy the box of points and brushes he really wanted. He felt angry. How do you like the chocolates? Here you have to fill up the blanks choosing from the brackets. So sweet. Do you mix in it hot milk and drink it? Anyway, you have it. Chocolate is delicious. Chocolate was the first made in Central America. People there grow the plant in large yards and delight. This you have to write in your fair book. The sky blue and grey, and if you have space in your supplementary book, then write in it. Okay. Drop its dancing farmer singing song, and I make a boat out of paper and let it sail on a puddle with the helmets. Tick the answers, correct answer. आपको आपकी supplementary book में you have to tick mark. He soils his cloth with dust. Sight. Nobody takes him to task if he gets back in the sun and gets wet to touch. This you have to write in your supplementary book. Is dark and lonely. Walks with his shadow, swings his lantern. Chasing the shadows. Fill up the blanks. The baby's cheeks were as smooth as butter. Sia turned as white as a sheet when she was watching the horror movie. Kirti runs like the wind and therefore wins every race on the sports day. After a day of hard work, Mohan went to bed early and slept like a baby. The paint I have bought for my room is as green as grass. Underline the correct action word or adjective in the sentence. Pratik was as smart as a fox when trying to pass his test. The mics are not working properly. The speaker's voice seems as loud as melodious thunder. So you have to underline the correct action. कौन सी एक्शन सही है उसके ऊपर आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. एंड द फ्लावर्स इन द गार्डन मेक इट लुक एज डार्क, इंटरेस्टिंग और कलरफुल. सो कलरफुल. एंड द टोजर्स rapids every day. His parents say he talks, sleeps like a parrot. Fill in the blanks with the correct object. सही object आपको लिखना है. तो Hitesh is great as mental max because his mind is as sharp as a needle. Nandini chose a dress as blue as the sky for her birthday. When Sejal is bored, she works as low as a snail. And I saw my father cry like a baby when our pet dog died. Rishi hopped like a kangaroo over the puddle of water. You have to fill up the correct object in the following blanks. Natasha was playing in her grandmother's backyard. She went near the well. Although she had seen it before, it still excited. तो आपको ब्रैकेट में से देख के करेक्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड आपको यू हैव टू फिल अप इन दिस ब्लैंक्स. एक्साइटेड, डार्क, स्लाइक एंड स्केयर. You have to tick mark the correct answer. English is a wonderful game. So she thinks that like everybody can play a game, everybody can also learn English. Words are food and dress of thought. They give its body and swing. So she says that like good food and dress give humans a healthy body appearance, words give thought a body appearance. Fill up the correct words. The tree became lifeless after a bolt of lightning struck it in July. Rama lived with her grandmother after her parents got divorced. The sisters pranced across the room pretending to be rock star. Last night I had a dream that I have 1,000 spiders crowding to my bed. And if I finish all my homework before time, it would be swell because I will have an extra hour to play. What is the subject of the poem? The subject of the poem is the beauty of the daffodils on the hillside. You have to write this answer in your fair book. Why do you think the poet is in the hills? Tick the correct answer. To roam around and enjoy nature. When all at once I saw a crowd, a host of gold daffodils. What does the poet mean by these lines? So like a crowd has a lot of people, there were a lot of daffodils that the poet saw at all once. You have to fill up the correct answer in these blanks. Sejal's father looked at her calmly as she paced around the room. She was feeling nervous, although she felt confident that she would flunk. And don't worry about the results, Sejal, her father exclaimed. I know you have worked hard for this exam, and whatever the results, it will be the marvelous. The father was disappointed when it not rained the entire week. Clear? You have to fill up the correct word in these blanks. It would be swell if teacher forgot to collect our homework, wouldn't it? The inspector was seen chasing the thief last night. A sudden gust of wind scattered my sheets all over the room, and the woman gave her enthusiastic son a new book to read every night. फिर ये पजल है. क्लियर? सो सॉल्व द वर्ड पजल विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लूज प्रोवाइडेड. ठीक है, क्लू दिए हैं, उसमें से आप पजल सॉल्व करनी है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव्स. The blue whale is a gigantic mammal whose tongue along weight as much as an elephant. Neha injured her palms by grabbing the prickly pineapple with her bare hands, and Jia reached out to grab some more biryani from the bowl on the table. This is the correct adjectives. Dave's friend embarrassed him by spilling the glass of water on his shirt, and the 4-day-old milk tasted sour, so it had to be thrown out. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate adjective. Fatima felt disgusted when she crossed the drag clogged with garbage. She felt uncomfortable when she traveled in a bus with no vacant seat. And Bella was impatient to open all the presents after her birthday party. Fill in the blanks. हाँ वही सेम कंटिन्यू है. An hour of exercise and a healthy breakfast invigorant pile for the day. And John was so excited that he couldn't stop talking about the movie he was going to watch with his parents. Okay students, bye bye.